Amavasya, Deep Amavasya. So this is the way I have decorated my temple. These two crystal balls, the green crystal balls that are there, green aventurines, they will also be energized with these deeps that are there, and then there will be dhoop also, Lakshmi ji with the stone diyas, and this 7 chakra crystal ball will be energized. And here with the naivedyam of fruits, chiku, banana and apple, the other crystal balls that will be energized along with this new moon sound meditation. You can hear the music, and these are the grids that are going to be energized. I will show you the procedure, but I'll just take you through the grids this time, that the grids are going to be there. And then there are the wands and the 2 pointers and the rose quartz egg that is going to be energized. The rose quartz egg is going to be for new businesses or whoever is going to start a family for that. So I'll get back. Before we start, first I have lit this sage agarbatti, which removes all the negativity. There is already an agarbatti that is on, but this is a sage agarbatti. It's green in color. It's an organically sage agarbatti, available in many stores. This I will first, just to remove all the negativity. Here, and then I will light the karpuram. Karpur happens to be the biggest negativity remover. If you see in Sanatan Dharma, we always have the karpur that is there after the puja. So this is the karpuram which removes all the negativity. And then we already have a sound, but the sound energy is something which always removes away negativity. That is why the sound. People never understood why the bells are there. Bells are to remove away negativity. If you just ring your bell around your home every evening, you will really see negativity go away and pleasant things come inside the mind. Okay, we have to know this also, that this is done for all the grids that I make, all the things, all the crystals that I give my clientele family. They are family to me, because when I hear out their problems to give them solutions and remedies, I am always waiting for good results, and I pray for the good results. And this is a bakur. Actually, I like the smell of bakur. You can use sada dhoop also. A bakur that was bought from, I had gone to Dubai for a conference, and that time I loved the smell of this bakur. I fell in love with it, and I brought this. Okay, I will show you the bakur pratha in some time. So now the bakur has started giving a good fragrance also, and there is a lot of beautiful fumes that will give a lot of positivity inside these grids. after this procedure, until the Bakur remains, I remain here, and it's a thank you from me to you all. Thank you.